everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to work with something that my daughter and I found in the dumpster. I hope you know by now we are dumpster divers. Our channel is Dumpster Chicks and the link is going to be in the description box, so if you want to visit that channel and have a lot of fun seeing how we have a lot of fun rescuing things from the dumpster, you can go there and that will make us very happy. One of the things we found was this frame. Didn't have the glass, and it had two of these, in fact there were four, two of these kind of, I don't know, pieces that were one here and the other one here, and two other that were smaller, shorter, that were here and on this other side. They were in this area. I think they were like this. Sorry, am I in frame? Yes. Well, we can do that. They were here, and when you look from the front you could see just a little border, and I don't know, because the glass, as I said, was not here, if the glass was in between these pieces and the frame or under these pieces. I don't know. I don't have the ones that were in the sides. I have this one and the one that was supposed to be here, but that one is the one that I cut because I'm going to make this up board. So I need two pieces that can fit in here. And this one and this one. These are the two ones that are going to go here. I cut a piece of foam board, black foam board from Dollar Tree, this one, and I'm going to use this as a background for my board. And as you can see, I have already written something in the, it's going to have three areas. In this area I have written something, and I'm going to add these pieces to divide the three areas. But first I'm going to add what is supposed to be on each section. I want some cork here, and I have this buffalo check scrapbooking paper that I bought at Hobby Lobby a long time ago, and I'm going to use it here in the middle. So let's do this. I'm going to glue this with hot glue just a little bit, because it's going to be kept in place by the frame. Another stick. And so I don't need too much glue, I think. If I'm wrong, I'll add more glue later. Just a bit on each border. Okay, so let's glue this. Now I'm applying some pressure, and I'm going to adhere the scrapbooking paper. I will also use hot glue. Like so. I hope it is centered. I should have marked the center. I marked where I'm going to place these pieces, but I didn't mark the center off the frame, but well, it seems it's not hot enough. Okay, and move this around so I can glue these areas and make sure the paper is not going to move later. Okay, so as you can see, this is really easy. Now I have to add the white pieces of plastic that go here, but I have to adhere them to the frame. So let me place the board here inside the frame. I'm going to remove these tabs. I would probably add another piece of board, because as the glass is not here, the board is kind of loose, but well, for now, it will have to do, just for you to see. Okay. Now I can work with this again. I don't know which was. This is short, so I'm going to glue these pieces in place. I will probably have to add this 6000 later, but I'm going to do something quick now, so I'm going to use just hot glue. Hope it will work. I can add hot glue here also to give this more adherence. I think this is going to work better. Okay, one in place, one to go. So I'm going to do this in this way, which seemed to work better. And this in between the chalkboard and the buffalo check. And now it's a matter of what I'm going to place here. Well, I have this beautiful picture of my daughter and I that we got this past New Year's Eve. So I'm going to add this clip. I couldn't find the clips without the magnet, so I'm going to use the one with the magnet. They are from Dollar Tree. You get 4 for $1, and when you use them with the magnet, they are great and they stay in place very firmly. But well, now I have to glue it because I don't have magnet here. So let me see. In the meantime, let me tell you that this video is going to be entered in the monthly Make It New challenge that is hosted by Jessie from Be Thrifty 2, and her co-host this month is Melissa from Melissa Makes It DIYs. I will leave the link to their channels in the description box. Please visit these amazing girls' channels, and I will leave also, oh my God, I can speak today. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos participating in this challenge. Please watch all the videos and give us some support. Leave some comments, like all of them, and that will help us a lot. And well deserved, because all the creators are amazing starting by the host and the co-host. Okay, now, well, you saw what I did here. If you have a chalkboard, paper or wood or whatever, you can make a chalkboard and write with a chalk. I prefer to add a sentiment that I like, and because I'm not going to use it and erase it and use it again, so that was my idea. And of course, on the side where the chalk is, the cork, sorry, is, I'm going to hang some things with these pins. Let me see. That's why I added the cork to the foam board, because once I made another board and I used wood as the background, and when I tried, I added the cork, and then when I tried to pin something, there was wood under the cork and I couldn't pin anything. So lesson learned, the foam is the best option. So a picture of my beautiful daughter, a picture of me and my middle son. I think I'm going to place it here. This is one of my mottos, so I wanted this to be here because these are the most important things in my life. I have this beautiful kind of ornament, but I don't use it as an ornament on my Christmas tree. I have it all year long. That was given to me by a friend, and I want to hang it. Let me see, I will hang it from here maybe. I'm going to make a change. I'm going to place, why don't I move the frame? It's going to be easier. I want this to be hanging like touching the border of the frame. So, come on baby. I think that's much better. So I have to move this picture a little bit to the side. Like here. And I may add some other things later. But this is the final product. Then it's up to your imagination. You can change. If you don't like buffalo check, you can add some other paper, even burlap, whatever you like. My house is all farmhouse style, so I try to use things that are farmhousey. And I think that I love the fact that I could reuse this frame that was in the garbage, literally, broken, without the glass, with pieces broken, and I could make something different, and that I'm going to use for sure, probably in my craft room. And as I said, this is the Make It New challenge, so I think I made this new. I hope you think the same. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't done it already, and ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. I want to thank the host and the co-host and all the participants in this challenge, and I want to thank you for watching, and hope you will visit the channels and the playlist. Hope you will be here for my next video, and hope you will have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye bye.